Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you 4 credit cards where you can see your pre-qualified credit limit before accepting the card. Now you can do this via a soft inquiry pull, and these 4 credit cards are known to give higher limits even when you have lower credit scores. Now, if you're a person with under a 700 credit score, adding another credit card to your credit report can increase your credit score by 50 points on average. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'm in the middle of my credit boot camp, which is designed to help you increase your credit score within 45 days. We even have a free Facebook group that you can join. And I have a playlist for my prior videos if you're interested in increasing your credit score. And this video is part of that series that is put out every Friday. And I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. Now, I even have packages for purchase at my website to remove your negative items. And if you want my help personally, I have a link where you can sign up to get my help one-on-one to help you with your credit issues. All of those links are always left in the pinned comment section of this video and in the description of this video. Now, when it comes to adding unsecured lines of credit, if you're under a 700 credit score, you can see an increase in your credit score by 50 points on average. But be warned, if you're a person with over a 700 credit score, your credit can decrease anytime you add on a new line of credit because it decreases your age of credit, which is 15% of your credit score. Now, does it mean that you cannot get a new credit card? Because understand, people, you don't want to die with the 850 credit score. When you have good credit, it is meant to be used to get you better interest rates and for you hopefully to start gaining assets so when you pass on, you can leave something for your family of value. But if you do choose to go with these credit lines, just make sure if you're over a 700 credit score, it is worth it for you to decrease your credit score because you might see a decrease by 3 to 5 points, but it will even out later on. Maybe in the next 4 months, you'll see your score go back up. Now, the first card on my list is Care Credit. Now, with this credit card, you can be approved up to $25,000. Now, when I did a review on this card, many people said they were qualified for large limits, even with really low credit scores. So I had one person that reported that they had a 620 credit score and they actually qualified for a $5,000 limit. And a person had a 630 credit score and got a $15,000 line of credit for Care Credit. Now with Care Credit, they offer you lines of credit to finance different medical procedures. You can get cosmetic surgery or even dental work with your Care Credit line. So this can help you in those categories. So if you're a person that does not have dental coverage with your health insurance, this can be a great option. And with Care Credit, there is no annual fee, and they do have introductory APRs of a 0% interest for 6, 12, 15 and even 18 months if you qualify. Now with Care Credit, it does have a higher interest rate of 26.99% with Care Credit. Now they will be pulling from Experian, and with I say a minimum of a 600 credit score to qualify for this card. You can see if you pre-qualify for your limit before you apply for this card. Now, the second card on my list is Crowdfit Mastercard. Now, being that this is a Mastercard logo card, you will be able to use it anywhere to book a hotel room or rent a car. Now, with Crowdfit, this is a health and wellness card. They give you rewards for working and improving on your health. Now, they do have credit lines starting at $500 all the way to a $25,000 credit line, and people are getting approved for this card with a credit score as low as a 580 credit score. Now, if you decide to take this credit card, they will be pulling a hard pull from Experian if you accept the offer. Now, with Crowdfit, they give you rewards like 2% cash back on qualifying groceries or 4% cash back with their health and wellness and even lifestyle partners to give you incentives to help you live a healthy lifestyle. And they do have other rewards and benefits with this card. So if you are interested, you can check it out and see if you're pre-qualified for this card and what would be the limit. And if you decide to take this card, you can do so, but it will result to a hard inquiry pull. So give this card a view to see what your pre-qualified limit will be for this card. Now, my next card on this list is the Apple credit card. Now, with this card, it is a Mastercard, so you can use it anywhere. Now, they are issued by Goldman & Sachs, and with this card, you can see your pre-qualifying limit before you accept the card. Now, people are reporting they're getting qualified for this Apple card with a 600 credit limit, and they do pull from TransUnion. Now, it is also reported that people that actually lock their TransUnion credit report and then apply for this card do not receive a hard inquiry, but I cannot guarantee that. That is a credit hack that people are saying that's really working, and they still get approved for this card. But now, one of the great benefits with the Apple card, depending on your credit worthiness, they are offering a 0% APR from 6 to 24 months. And like I said, it depends on your credit worthiness and your credit profile. They also offer 2% daily cash on purchases that you make with your Apple card with Apple Pay. They also give you 3% cash back when you use vendors that they have, such as T-Mobile and Exxon, to name a few. And you can also get 1% daily cash when you use your actual physical Apple card anywhere, and you would get 1% daily cash. Now, with this Apple card, it is a good card because many people have reported they have been very generous with their credit line increases. So if you want to check this card out, they will show you your pre-qualified limit, and there isn't a real high bar in order for you to get approved for this card. And there's been reported that people got this card for a $25,000 limit and was able to work their credit limit increases up to $45,000 easily with this card. So you can check this card out. Now, the last and final card on my list is the X1 Visa credit card. Now, being that this is a Visa local card, you can use this card anywhere. And it is reported that people are getting approved with an initial credit line of $37,000. Now, with this card, they do not just look at your credit score alone. They do consider your current income and your future incomes to give you higher credit card limits. Now, this is a 0 annual fee card, and with the X1 credit card, they are reported to approve people with a credit score as low as a 640 credit score, and they will be pulling your Experian credit report if you decide to take the card. Now, some of the points and rewards of the X1 credit card is for every dollar spent, they will give you 2 points. Now, they do offer 3 points for every dollar spent if you spend over $1,000 a month up to $6,500 on a cap, where you can get those 3 points for every dollar spent. So those are just some of the few rewards of this X1 credit card. If you want the whole breakdown on this card, I did do a video, and I will leave that link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. So these are some of the credit cards where you can get pre-qualified for and find out what your pre-qualification limit is without a hard pull. So make sure you check these cards out. But just a warning, if you have anything new like a collection, or if you have any accounts that are in the rear, I would make sure I correct that before I apply for this credit card. So if your accounts are behind, bring those accounts current. If you have high utilization, over 60%, I would bring that down before I apply for this card. And if I have a new collection or charge off, I say wait 90 days before pulling a trigger on any credit card, because it can get you denied. But you can still see if you pre-qualify and what your limit would be. So I hope this information is helpful. So if you have any questions, just leave your questions or your comment in the comment section of this video. But if you have more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.